Ever wondered why some videos on YouTube become super hits while others barely scrape a few views? They're not random. These videos resonate, evoke emotions, and are relatable. They surprise us, and often shock us. The key to virality: relatability, humor, shock, and uniqueness. And speaking of unique and relatable, let me share a rather humorous tale. Once upon a time, in the vast realm of YouTube, a seemingly ordinary individual stumbled upon unexpected fame. Let's call this unsuspecting individual Alex. One day, Alex decided to share a slice of their life with the world, documenting their everyday routine in a simple, unedited video. Little did they know, their pet, let's call it Whiskers, had other plans. As Alex narrated their day, Whiskers, the curious cat, was up to its own shenanigans in the background. It chased its tail, knocked over vases, and even managed to get tangled in a roll of toilet paper, turning the mundane into the extraordinary, unbeknownst to Alex. The video was uploaded, and to Alex's surprise, views started pouring in like a midsummer downpour. Comments soon followed, filled with laughter and praise, not for Alex's routine but for Whiskers' hilarious antics. The video was shared far and wide, with people delighting in the unexpected comedy. Overnight, Alex's ordinary video transformed into a viral sensation. The world was not captivated by Alex's day, but by the comedy gold that was Whiskers. The video was shared on social media platforms, featured on news outlets, and even made its way into meme compilations. Alex was taken aback, but nonetheless enjoyed the unexpected fame and attention. And just like that, our unsuspecting hero was crowned the king of viral content, all thanks to a mischievous pet. The moral of the story: sometimes it's the unexpected that truly catches people's attention. So, you might be wondering, how do I replicate this accidental fame for myself? To go viral, the recipe is simple yet unpredictable. Engaging content, a dash of humor, and a sprinkle of surprise. Embrace your individuality. The mundane, the extraordinary, the hilarious, the unexpected. These are the elements of your life that can strike a chord with millions. Remember, in the world of viral video content, sometimes it's not about trying to make the next big thing, but about letting the next big thing find you. And who knows, maybe your pet could be your ticket to stardom.